The JBL Concert Series 601 CF component speakers deliver a clean, energetic sound signature that immediately makes factory car audio feel dull by comparison. Their separate tweeters provide crisp, detailed highs that stay smooth even when you turn the volume up for highway driving. The mid-range drivers handle vocals and instruments with impressive clarity, so music sounds more lifelike and less congested than with typical stock speakers. These speakers are built with the kind of solid materials and careful construction JBL is known for, giving confidence they will hold up to daily use and occasional spirited listening. They are designed to work well with a factory head unit, but really come alive when paired with an external amplifier, offering stronger impact and better control at higher listening levels. Overall, the JBL Concert Series 601 CF speakers are a smart upgrade for drivers who want noticeably better clarity and dynamics without getting into a complicated custom audio build.